Hi, it's Jeff Lundblad again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. I'm continuing to open these boxes from this last collection online so you guys can actually see what I'm seeing as we're going to get them up for sale on our website, www.familylegacyEstateSale.com. If you like these videos, we're going to continue making them so you guys can actually see the surprises as we open these boxes. You can like us on Facebook or follow us on our YouTube channel. So let's go right to it. Got another box here. Let's see what we've got. Doesn't look like there's a lot of things in here, but there's some big ones. What the heck is this? PMX 003 Master Grade from Bandai. Guessing that is mobile suit. I'm guessing that's Gundam. So that looks like a very expensive piece. It's all factory sealed. Master Grade. So this is the front of it. Jupiter prototype mobile suit. So for the Gundam fans out there, this is going to be a cool piece for them. What else do we have? We've got, oh, that's cool, an original White Tiger Zord, unopened, with the White Ranger. So that's very, very neat. Power Rangers line, obviously. And then we've got some other original Power Rangers. Oh, we got King Sphinx. Original packaging. And hey, we've got Lord Zedd from the original movie. And what else do we have in here? And we have Goldar. So some original villains from the Power Rangers line. Got a couple small things here. We've got a Funskool G.I. Joe, is that eels? Oh, yeah, eels. So, card's a little bent, but it is an original G.I. Joe. And let's see, this looks like maybe it's from Russia. So the writing is definitely, looks to be Russian. So that's very neat. There's something small in here. And this is in Japanese packaging. Agent X. Something Agent X. I'm gonna have to do some research on him. I don't know who he is. Again, the original owner of these items was a U.S. citizen. He was born here, raised here, was in the military, and he decided to, he spent so many years in Japan, he decided to live there. And all of his toys were here in the U.S. in storage, and he reached out to me to buy them. And so we kind of just bought it as a big lot, all these different boxes. So that's why a lot of them have labeling and some Japanese characters to them. This also looks like another, probably Gundam. It's by Bandai, Walker Gallia, Walker Machine. It's factory sealed, it's got the band on it. I'm wondering if that could be a model of some type. Again, I can't read the box because it's mostly in Japanese, but I believe that might be a model kit. And we've got another one. Also appears to be Gundam. So these are very, very good. Probably very expensive items, but they're very neat. This one actually doesn't have a band on it, and yes, it is a model kit. And you can see it's completely untouched. Boy, that's a complicated kit for somebody, but there's a lot of fans of models out there. So these are all going to be for sale on our website, www.familylegacyEstateSale.com. And keep tuning in for more videos because I've got a lot of different stuff, and I've still got about 40 or so bins and boxes to go. Talk to you soon.